Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. And the very special guest this week, Laurie Wiesner from Art Law. I just love her work, so I'm super excited you've joined us, Laurie. Thank you so much, and your work is always stunning. So today I'm going to play with a little bit of crazy chameleon CA and some bright colours, a bit out of the box for Bubbles, but let's see how we make it work. So kick back, Wombat will put the tunes on, and we're going to have some fun.
A quick look from the backseat, city going by as we're passing streets. Dim lights in her basement dive, leather jacket and my whiskey, me and I can't find a way to compromise unless I'm looking in your eyes. And I know we're leaving all the rules behind. Welcome to the wild. Every man for himself. Welcome to the wild. I'm crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild. Lady, sing welcome to the wild. Midnight on Mulholland Drive, I take the wheel and you close your eyes. You know I love the chase and we don't hesitate. A little danger makes you feel right. And I know everybody wants you, but they can't do what I do. Yeah, I feel like there's nothing left to lose if I don't got you. Welcome to the wild. It's every man for himself. Welcome to the wild. I'm crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild. Lady, sing welcome to the wild. Big city, lost in a crowd. Come with me where we're not allowed. 'Cause you're looking like trouble, but you got no place to go. But let me tell ya, this city, it's a jungle. Welcome to the wild. It's every man for himself. Welcome to the wild. I'm crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild. Lady, sing welcome to the wild. I punch my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work and I play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, 'cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing, nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. Nothing at all. Yeah, I am not the favorite son, but I'm the one who's been here all along. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. No, I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it
I was born for the war, I was born for the battle, battle. Let the cannons ring and the thunder rattle, rattle. You won't see a white flag lifting over me. When the smoke clears, it's me that you see. I love the fight. I love the fight.
Alrighty then, we are back. So, lost my Senshi CA. Oh, not Senshi, that was Grenache, sorry. But, yeah, Grenache on a white pillow does not stick. But on a black, she pops like magic. So, lesson learnt. I probably should have done just the orange CA because that really stood out. But either way, I'm pretty happy. She's bright and funky and sort of psychedelic looking, so that's going to make me smile for the day. Bright is beautiful, right? So next up after me today, guys, we have the dynamic duo of Tony and Cat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So make sure you jump on over to the next chat, because the Fluid Art Express is never finished till we have our amazing caboose. And once again, Laurie, thank you so much for joining us from Art Law. You are amazing. And that is it for me, guys. So until next time, take care, stay safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Go get messy. Have some fun.